anything.
Hello guys. Happy New Year's 2024. Making our video on 2024.
Let it slowly go. Drag it on the bottom, slowly. Let the little fish is gonna be cool.
Whoops. Yeah.
Okay, Lily, I need your help.
Hey Dad, we need your help after you're done.
We need help opening this.
What do you need help opening?
Opening that. To see if there's water coming in it. Can I press something? Oh, there's water!
Okay.
I think that. Let me see. Is that enough, Daddy? For the fish?
No, because they can't breathe with that much. Wait. I'll tell you what to stop.
I think that should be enough. For
Yes,
now.
stop. Oh, there you go.
She's gonna be the first one to catch a fish.
Mom got a bite, but she lost her bite.
Because the fish thought it was just normal food, but no, it's not normal food. Not normal.
Can I keep my hoodie like this?
Yeah.
You just keep it however you want. Finally, I can take a zip of Mountain Dew. Man, that's cold.
There's gloves right there in the young box.
Oh, what do you?
En la caja de magnet.
Yeah, I'm taking off my gloves. I'm somewhere safe. Don't tell me why I need to take off these gloves.
My head hurts.
Got essentials in here.
It's because that one gets blown away.
After that, it's been 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Oh god, man, I trapped myself. Here's all our essentials. Don't worry about that basket.
But I can just grab it.
These are essential snacks. I'm missing the fish scissors. That's just my candy bar. Yeah.
You get a bite?
Any luck going, man?
This one's gonna give it back.
Dad, did you say Uncle you ordered?
I'm not even great. Hey, you didn't know I can do this.
Oh yeah.
So I don't have to do that, boys. Go on.
Not.
Oh! Snap. Get him. Get those.
You want it? You want it?
No, I can't, dog. I need to score this. No, man. Oh!
Get him!
Get him. Get his ball.
Mom, step it on it!
Oh, snap, that's a big one. That's so big. It's already been 13 minutes. Oh, that's a big thick. Let's name him Steve Tube.
Oh shit, that's a big
Right here,
one.
look. Record it. Let me see.
Look at him. He's beautiful.
Is it a boy or a girl?
He's a boy. Let's check on it.
Check how deep, how much he weighs.
Bro, that's the thickest one. Bro, look at his gills. Look at it. Like, please stop attacking me, Jeff. Don't.
His name's Jeff?
No, I'm just kidding. No. And this, he's called
I don't
Steve.
have the scale.
Steve too, Mom. It's Steve too. Mom, his name is Steve too.
He is Steve too, because don't tell us why he's Steve 1 is missing.
No.
We cooked them up. Not us, my dad's, his father, my dad's father.
You can put them in here. We're gonna let them go. They can play with them for a little bit.
Turn on the water, girl.
I'm trying.
No, why we're letting them free? Dad, why are we letting them free? Dad, why are we letting them free? Let him in here so that's why he can go somewhere.
Huh?
So, Dad,
Uh,
how about we catch little ones and keep those, but the big,
we're gonna let that one go. We're just gonna feed them a little bit.
and then the big ones, we're just going to play with them for a little bit and then let them go.
Steve, too. How are you doing in there, man?
That's not enough water for him. Yes, love it!
Catching the tiny ones and leaving the big ones.
You want a worm?
Yeah.
My mom's number one question. Do you want a worm? Do you want a worm?
Yes, I want a worm.
Let me see.
Check on.
I think it's full enough for him.
Let me see.
Put it on automatic now. Turn that switch you push on. So this right here.
What color? I think that's green. This one?
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, no, he left.
No, that one's gonna hurt.
Here.
Put that fishing for them.
Fishy, you're going free.
Hold on.
That one
Is
by
it
the
recording?
mouth.
Yeah, it's
That one-
recording.
And grab him by the mouth.
Nah, bruh. Run.
He's not gonna grab me.
Grab one by the mouth.
Dude, I need a hold, though.
No, you don't.
You just slip.
You want me to help you?
Yeah, please.
Please.
Yeah, go. Go. Show them off.
You better not move.
Oh, you have to grab them hard.
Oh, it's.
No, grab them.
Dude, he's slippery.
Grab them like this. But put your hand right here. Show mom. Show mom now.
Hey, Mom.
Let him go.
Goodbye, Fishy. You never do. You got him.
Huh? You have to wash your hands.
I got a sweater here.
That was a big one.
That's a big one.
That was a thick one.
That was a thick one.
Real thick one.
Yeah, you can't tell Papa Jose, okay?
Yeah, but I bet you go to my YouTube channel and see the new videos and oh, they like they even got fish.
So, what do you want, a worm or which one?
Give me a worm.